Life cycle of a mosquito. There are over 2,500 different species of mosquitoes found throughout the world. The feeding habits of mosquitoes are quite unique. The male mosquitoes feed only on plant juices, while it is the adult female that bites man and animals. Most female mosquitoes have to feed on an animal and get sufficient blood meal before being able to develop eggs. Mosquitoes must have water in which to complete stages of their life cycle. We will now look at the 4 distinct stages of development in the life cycle of a mosquito. Egg stage. The life cycle of a mosquito starts with the laying of eggs. It lays eggs on stagnant water and other containers that can hold water like discarded tires, cans and buckets. The female mosquito lays eggs one at a time on a water surface. In the case of the Culex and the Culeiceta species of mosquitoes, they lay eggs that are stuck together in rafts. A raft will have 100 or more eggs. Normally, the eggs are white when first deposited, they then darken to near black within a day. The eggs hatch in 1 to 3 days depending on the temperature. When the larvae are ready to hatch, they use a small temporary tooth found on their head to break open the egg along a suture. Larval stage. Mosquito larvae, commonly called wigglers or wrigglers, live in water from 7 to 14 days depending on the water temperature. The larvae begin to feed on bacteria and decaying organic matter on the water surface soon after they hatch out of the eggs. They swim either by propulsion, using their mouth brushes, or by jerky movements of the entire body, giving them the common name of wigglers. They spend most of their time hanging upside down at the surface, sucking in oxygen through the siphon. The siphon is located at the base of their abdomen and is similar to a snorkel. The larval stage lasts for a few days to a few weeks, during which the larvae shed several layers of their outer skin called molting. This allows further growth. After the larvae have completed molting, they become pupae. Pupal stage. The pupal stage is a resting, non-feeding stage. Mosquito pupae are commonly called tumblers. They need to take in oxygen from time to time, which they do through 2 breathing tubes known as trumpets. They have short, curved bodies with a large head at one end and flippers for swimming at the other. The pupal skin splits along the top of the case when the adult mosquito is ready to emerge from the pupae. Adult stage. The newly emerged adult rests on the surface of the water for a short time to allow itself to dry and to let all its parts to harden. The wings also have to spread out and dry properly before it can fly. Adult mosquitoes have a head with 2 large compound eyes, a thorax, a pair of scaled wings and 6 jointed legs. They also have antennae and a proboscis. Adult mosquitoes mate within the first few days after emerging.